Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I am your host, Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law here in Florida. Thank you for joining me today. Today's question is, Sergio, my spouse is insisting on getting a divorce. He or she has this crazy idea that divorce is the only way to solve our problems, and I don't agree with that. I think there are many reasons to stay married. How can I stop my spouse from pursuing this crazy divorce? Well, unfortunately, under Florida law, there is no way to stop your spouse from pursuing a divorce if she or he is insisting on it. Now, historically, back in the old days, if a spouse wanted to pursue a divorce, they had to state some kind of a legal ground in order to establish the fact that that person deserved a divorce. For example, they had to prove that the other spouse had been engaged in an extramarital affair, or that the spouse is barren and not able to have children, etc., etc. But those days are long gone. Now, under today's law, Florida is considered a no-fault state, which means that either spouse can come into court and simply declare that the marriage is irretrievably broken. That is, that there are irreconcilable differences. The spouse doesn't even have to specify what those differences are or otherwise prove them in court. So while there's no legal way to stop a divorce, there could be other alternatives to try to avoid the divorce to begin with. For example, you might consider marriage counseling with a knowledgeable, well-known therapist who cares about your case and can do a good job in helping overcome the differences in your relationship. You could also consider that many religious organizations offer low-cost and sometimes free marriage counseling. So other than these preventive measures to try to avoid the divorce in the first place, there's really no legal way to stop that person from pursuing a divorce under Florida law. I hope this short video provided you some guidance over this very important area of the law. Of course, this is not a substitute for an actual consultation with an attorney who can review the specific information of your case and provide you the proper advice. Once again, thank you for joining me, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.